our stories are interlinking somewhere, you know.
Plus, ngatitsure mukoma Danny futhi kuti
Mama Danny J, ndikuda match, nemari, bakalo, hard cash. Because nakapusha brand.
Hey, shout out to the Danny J podcast.
Yeah,
too,
yeah,
man.
shout out to them, man. So, man, shout out to you, bro. Thanks for having me here. You know, it's been a while, Chiziana. You know, we've got these stories that we always laugh about, Taka Chilaku Studio. And it's a dope thing that we get this platform to get to talk about those things. I never thought, Kuti, I had such a jam-packed decade, bro. Like, myself. When you told me about this thing, I'm like, oh, there's this, oh, there's that.
Oh,
So
there's
things
that,
start
yeah.
coming back, you know, and yeah, it's a dope thing. I can't wait to watch this as well. I want to see what I was saying.
Shout out, man. Appreciate you.
Shout out to you. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the camera. No one gives credit to the cameraman. Shout out to that guy.
including-
Shout out to that to TK, that guy, the sound guy. You know, everybody.
Every guy. Shout out to Tati at the back.
Yeah,
Tofara with the
whole
with
team.
the pictures, the whole
And I was checking out the before we started when we were sound checking. These frames, bro.
Tamuka.
Can I get these frames? I want to start my own podcast.
Tamuka, no.